Okay, this question comes from Math 120. It is a probability question, area under the curve 6.2, and it says assume that the readings on the thermometer are normally distributed with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1 degree Celsius. Talking about thermometers. A thermometer is randomly selected and tested. Draw a sketch and find the temperature reading that corresponds to the 98th percentile. This is a temperature reading separating the bottom 98% from the top 2%. Well, in all of these questions, it's important to draw a picture. Of course, some of us are not artists like myself, but we'll do the best that we can. The mean is always in the middle, so that's 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Now remember that in your table, the table A2, which you need to find that if you haven't been to class or you don't know, table A2 is a negative z-score and a positive z-score table, and we will use this to find the 98th percentile. Now we know that 98 covers most of this whole area because it's 100%. So what I'll do is I'll take another color and I'll draw a line where I think 98% is going to be. Now it could be off a little bit, but we know that this whole thing is 100%. So I'm just going to put, and we know that this is 2.5%, so I'm just going to put a line right here, and I'm just going to shade this in to the left because it said the bottom 98%, and we're going to put 0.9800. 0.9800, that's 98%. So all we have to do is find an area in the table that's at 9.9800%. Now when you go to your A2 table, the A2 table is going to be set up with your z-scores 0.00, 0.01, ... 0.09, and it's going to have your scores down here, and it depends on negative or positive. If it's negative, it'll start from the negative and go to 0. If it's positive, it'll start from 0 and go to 2. So 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, all the way down to 3.5. And what you need to do is look in this area because it's 4 digits. 4 digits means the body, and you find 0.98. And you're probably going to find 0.98 around 2.0 and 0.05, probably somewhere around 2.05 is where you're going to find the closest number to 0.9800. And I'm going to put a little approximate there because I believe the answer comes out to be 2.05. So at 2.05, you have the 98th percentile, and of course over here is the 0.05 or 0.02. I'm sorry. Hope that helps.